Hello, today we're going to assemble the Calcite Corosex Acid Neutralizer System. And the first step, we're going to check the riser tube to see if it has any sharp edges on top and the open end here. So if so, we're going to use the reamer and ream it. Like so. Our next step is to take the riser tube and we're going to insert the riser tube into this mineral tank, and we're going to center it at the bottom. So we will insert all the way and kind of like center it here. There we go. Our next step is that we're going to take the head and lubricant, and we're going to apply the lubricant around the O-ring here. So we're going to do. The next step, we're going to take this upper basket and we're going to twist it on and lock it onto the head. Like so. For this step, we're going to take the head and insert it into the riser tube and push in and screw the head until it's hand tight. So we're going to take this, push it onto the riser tube, and screw until it's tight. For this step, we're going to open the fittings package. And you're going to make sure that you have all the pieces here in the diagram. So you might receive a straight piece or an elbow fitting, but they both work the same way. Okay, for this step, we're going to take the elbow and we're going to assemble it. So this is the elbow. We're going to take the nut and we're going to take the split ring and we're going to put it into this groove here at the end, like so. Let's see. Okay, once you're done assembling it, it'll look like this, and you'll put the split ring at the very end groove. Next, we're going to install the O-ring. That's like so. And we're going to do the same with the other one. We're also going to add some lubricant onto the O-ring. For this step, we're going to take the elbow into the head, and we're going to push this in and screw it on I'm going to do it for this side also. There we go. And the other side. There you go. Next step, we're going to open the media port on the mineral tank, and we're going to remove this tag, and we're going to use this lubricant, and we're going to lubricate this O-ring. Okay, like so. There you go. At this step, we're going to insert the media funnel into the dome hole port. For this step, we're going to move the mineral tank in place where you're going to install it, because once we pour the media in, it's going to become really heavy. So you're going to move it where you're going to install it and connect the water lines and use the upflow inlet. Be sure to wear a mask while you're pouring the media in so you don't inhale the fines. For this step, we're going to pour gravel into the tank. First, then pour calcite, then Corosex. This step, once you fill the tank with all the media, you're going to remove the media funnel and close the dome hole. I'm going to screw the opening real tight. And last but not least, you're going to open the closest downstream faucet, flush the filter, and check the pH.